Oh crap. I'm on. Hey, my name's Two Bag Tom. Chris is sick right now, so I'm taking over for him, but yeah, he asked me to help him do some of his videos, so I'm gonna help him do some of his videos, but my mom calls me Two Bag Tom, which I don't get what she mean, 'cause I ain't a two bag. I don't carry tools around with me. I don't have handles on me. So how can I be a two bag? She calls me a screw up, but screws can only screw down. So yeah, yeah. Gang sign? No. Aw, crap. Well, yeah, I'm gonna be helping Chris in his videos a lot. You're gonna be seeing me around a lot, and I'm just gonna be around whenever you guys need me. So, yeah, my name's Two Bag Tom. Peace. Yo, what up, guys? It's Two Bag Tom here. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, subscribe. I'm sure Chris would really like that. And yeah, we'll see you guys later. Peace. Stay cool, my homies.